Do you often forget to close tabs in Samsung Internet and end up with dozens still open? After a recent Samsung Internet update, you can now automatically close unused tabs, keeping your browser clean and faster without needing to do it manually. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Tap Auto Close Unused Tabs. Here you will see several options. Never, which means tabs stay open until you close them manually. After 7 days, which means unused tabs close automatically after a week. After 30 days to give you more time before auto closing. And with Smart Tab Management, if you want your phone to close tabs automatically when Samsung Internet detects you are no longer using them. For example, if you open research or shop online and forget to close tabs, you can choose after 7 days. It keeps recent tabs handy but clears old ones automatically. With this feature, now you can let Samsung Internet take care of your open tabs automatically, keeping your browser smoother and more organized. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.